Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, I'm Iqbal Nafian from 8.2. Today I want to describe or state some viral video that happened now. Today I want to state some viral news that are happening now about the weakening of rupiah. So, the weakening of rupiah is caused by a combination of global economic pressure and domestic structural vulnerabilities that drive up demand for the US dollar. The main factor pressuring the rupiah exchange rate include strengthening of the US dollar index, the resilience of the United States economy from global investors to hold their assets in dollar, triggering capital outflow from the international financial market. The second is high import demand, deficit in the service sector, and heavy import costs, particularly for crude oil and fuel, cause Indonesia to require a very large supply of dollars. The third, financial capital outflow, dependent payment to foreign investors, and high foreign debt service costs drain the domestic supply of dollars. The fourth is geopolitical uncertainty, escalating global conflict, disrupt logistic routes, and drive up global crude oil price, which ultimately burdens the state's budget. The fifth is market sentiment and expectation. Market concern over the direction of the government fiscal policy, specifically regarding the budget burden for energy subsidy and government programs, further lower investor confidence. To monitor real-time rupiah exchange rate movement against foreign currency, you can access platforms such as Trading Economic and others. So the conclusion is the depreciation of the Indonesian rupiah is driven by two main forces: external global pressures and internal structural demand. Externally, the resilience of the U.S. economy strengthened the dollar, while geopolitical conflict drive up global oil price and push investors towards safe haven assets. Internally, Indonesia had dependence on oil imports, massive foreign debt payment, and dividend outflow create a persistent shortage of dollars. Ultimately, the currency weakens because the global and domestic demand for US dollar consistently outpace the available supply within the Indonesian economy. So I think that's of all my opinion towards the viral news. And I think enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.